All right, guys, we got a 2012 BMW 335i. In beautiful white. What we got done on it, we got true duals from the factory. Cat's up there somewhere. Then true duals all the way back. Factory X-pipe there. And we just did a rear muffler delete there and right there. Kept everything else stock, even his tips, we kept them stock. Usually a valve comes here, right there, where on one side of the muffler. We cut it off. There's the valve right there. Mr. Jared's got it. We cut that off and we zip tied the vacuum line up, okay? It's got two mufflers on it there. As you guys can see that we cut off. And that's the valve system that was on it that we cut off. It's off vacuum. Okay, a certain RPM, it gets loud. And this is what it looks like after. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. He drove an hour away, guys, for us to come do it for us. So we really appreciate him coming down. Go ahead. Oh, so much better. Yes, sir. Sounds good. Again. Right at 112. Go ahead and back it up. It's got that bomb. I love it. Look at that marble.